Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Unlock your device and open contacts or phone so you can act. Find the contact by typing their name in search, then tap the entry to view details. Make sure it's the correct person. Once the contact is open, press Edit in the top right corner to enter editing mode. You do this because posters are tied to the editable contact card. By entering Edit, you expose the poster controls and can remove or replace the poster safely. Once in Edit, scroll to the poster or photo section and tap the thumbnail to open the poster menu. This is where removal and replacement live. Choose Remove Poster if you simply want no poster, or pick Replace, then select Default to revert to the system avatar. This keeps caller ID but removes the custom poster. After selecting your option, use the preview that appears to verify the change. Make sure the poster area displays the default or blank state before you save, so you don't accidentally keep the old image. Finish by tapping Done or Save so the change writes to your contact card. Reopen the contact to confirm the poster is gone. If the poster reappears, make sure you restart the device, because cached data can show old images. If that doesn't fix it, sign out and sign back into the account that syncs contacts. Also check iCloud or Google Sync settings and force a manual contacts sync. This resolves most persistence or sync conflict problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.